Hey, so this is the microphone comparison between Redmi Buds 8 Lite and the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm gonna also use my vacuum cleaner to see how well those devices cut out background sounds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone check of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro connected to the Pixel 7 Pro. And now I'm standing on my desk like 2 meters away from me. So let's find out. Okay, right now the vacuum cleaner is turned on, and this is the another microphone check for the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Okay, so right now I'm connected with Redmi Buds 8 Lite into my Pixel 7 Pro. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone check. Now I'm gonna turn on the vacuum cleaner. They're standing like 2 meters away from me, and we're gonna check how well the Redmi Buds 8 Lite cut out the background sound. So let's do that. Okay, so the vacuum cleaner is turned on right now. It's super loud actually. It's like 1 meter away or 2 meters away from me. And let's see how the Redmi Buds 8 Lite cut out this kind of the sound.